Welcome. Today we are going to look at computer paper 1. Kindly subscribe. Section A, 40 marks. Answer all the questions in this section. State 2 reasons for the increased use of laptop computers in modern workplaces. Laptops are portable and can be carried from one to another with ease. That is, laptops are portable and can be carried from one place to another with ease. Laptops have rechargeable batteries, therefore can be used even in places without electricity once charged. Question 2. What precautions would you take in the computer laboratory in case users are complaining of overheating and suffocation? Fit standard windows and doors. Have vents. Install air conditioning systems. Avoid overcrowding in the laboratory. Question 3. Convert the decimal number 15.373 to its binary number system equivalent. And this is how you convert it. Question 4. With an aid of a diagram, describe the difference between repeat, until, and while do. Repeat until allows the statements within it to be executed at least once since the condition is tested at the end of the loop, while loop is used if a condition has to be met before the statements within the loop are executed. That is the diagram. Question 5. State 3 circumstances which may force an individual to acquire an impact printer instead of non-impact printer. When an individual has less money, therefore cannot afford non-impact printers, when the output required is of low quality, when there is need for multiple copies in one instance of print. Question 6. Sam prepared a 5-page brochure of Maseno School using a Microsoft publisher. He wanted to insert a school badge in each page of the publication. State 2 methods he needs to apply to execute this task. Insert the badge at the footer or header. Use the master page. Question 7. State the difference between 1's complement and 2's complement. 1's complement has 2 ways of representing 0, while 2's complement has only one way of representing 0. In 1's complement, the overflow is added, and in 2's complement, the overflow is ignored. In 1's complement, the binary bits are bitwise or negated, while in 2's complement, the binary bits are bitwise, then 1 is added. Question 8. State the function of each of the following features of an email software: spam. A spam is a folder that contains junk email or unsolicited bank email sent through the email system. Unsolicited emails mean the recipient did not grant permission for the receiving those emails. Trash. The trash folder is where any emails you have deleted, which have been automatically deleted, are sent. What do we mean here? We mean the trash folder is where any emails you have deleted are sent. Or you can say it is where files that you have automatically deleted are sent. Question 9. State 4 benefits of cloud storage in computing. Flexible, mass storage, cost efficient, ensure data security, scalable. Question 10. Describe the functions of the following disk management operations. Defragmentation. This is to enable files and folders to be accessed within the shortest possible time. Partitioning is for backup purposes, to hold the computer to run more than one operating system. Question 11. Describe four ways through which an organization can minimize threats to its data integrity. Use devices that capture data directly from source. Using error detection and correction software when transmitting data. Design user interfaces that restrict invalid data entry. Backup data regularly. Control access to data by enforcing security measures. Question 12. Study the following 3 sections of codename accordingly. So A is the machine language, B is assembly language, and C is web scripting language or HTML. Question 13. Identify how the operating system will label the following drives in case a computer has 1 floppy drive, 1 hard disk, partition into 2, and a DVD. Floppy drive A, hard disk C and D, DVD E. Question 14. 5 students, Jane, Beryl, Baroness, Linda, and Giles called the following marks in mathematics. 45, 76, 34, 65, and 45. The marks were recorded in cell C3 to C7. Write down the most appropriate function that can be used to give those positions so that they can be awarded in descending order. Rank C3. Correct. This is the answer. Question 15. Using an example, explain 2 main parts of an URL. Protocol part, which described the protocol used to transfer hypertext. Web server, in the name of the internet server on which the web page resides. So you can write that one for Facebook. Then you see this is the web server and this is the protocol part. Did you understand? Kindly let me know in the comment section below, and also let me know what video I can look at tomorrow. Thanks a lot for subscribing and listening to me. God bless you.